Hi, my name is Prathamesh Nandakumar Iyer. I am present into anti-lock braking system. Introduction. Anti-lock braking system is safety to anti-skid braking system used to aircraft and hand lands and such as the cars and motorcycles, and usually are used in the trucks and buses in anti-lock braking system. Anti-lock braking system is used to be designed by the prevent it from locking up to brakes and apply so much pressure and your brakes and hand axle your vehicles wheels and themselves stop turning incompletely. What is the ABS system in the car used in the cars? ABS system used in the cars in the system which is depends to prevent in the locking up braking and apply a such pressure to brakes in the axle and the such pressure act axle on the themselves on the turning of the vehicle is used in the ABS system in use in the cars. ABS system types of ABS systems. Anti-lock braking system are used in a different schemes in the depending on the types of brakes in the use in the differential by the number of the channels. For 5 channels used in the ABS system. Number one, four sensor used ABS two, 3 channel, uh, four sensors in the ABS three channels, three sensors in the ABS four 2 channel, four sensors in the ABS five 1 channel, one sensor is equal to ABS. Main components of the ABS system. The main components of the ABS system is a speed sensor to a brake or brakes or capillaries and the plums of the motors and the valves of the chemicals and the control of the ECU. Working principle of the ABS system, anti-lock braking system working principle. The four sensors of the each used in the four-wheelers and the rotating of the vehicles in the drives to merge a brake applies and will stop rotating when the sensor in the reports on the ECU to ECU means electronic control unit to release a brake line pressure and leads to wheels in the turning again, and the ECU applies in the pressure again and stop the rotating of the wheels and the releasing a reapplication of the pulsing of the brake pressure is happens to 20 to 30 times in a per seconds in a per seconds and the more time the gaps of the wheel just limit before on the locking of the skidding and the no matters, and the ABS system can maintain extremely high static pressure and must be disabled before the attending in the repairs when the brake pedal is depending during the drives and the wheels and the speed decreases in the speed as well as the well and the decrease of the vehicles in the speed is not always in a proportional to the decrease in the wheel speed, and the vehicle speed is called and the slip. This is a two diagram of the ABS system. First diagram is shown a controller module is used handle all processor sensors modular unit cylinder, brake booster, and a wheel sensor is used to control all modular unit is use a controller units use means types of channels is used sensor. Second diagram is automotive braking system use mastering cylinder and the reversible value, combustion value, and the flexible line in the master value, flexible and the reducible adjustable in the values is and use. Advantages of the ABS system advantages grandly reduced to a possibility of the brake lockup system and provide a better chance of the steering and highly adaptable in the every surface to drive in the ABS system grandly reduced to a possibility of the vehicle of the skidding and the faster reactions are detect reactions to the situation because then completely electronic and the computer is controller unit. And the disadvantages of the ABS is the anti-lock braking system and the expensive repairs and the high cost of the operation required the regular checkups and the maintenance of the sensors values, and the brake fluid requires a completely overhaul or the damage of the few parts. This anti-lock braking system is a smaller parts is used in the ABS system, and the smaller parts is the high cost repairs in the damage. Its parts is damaged, a high cost operation and the repairs. Decline a system of the easy and the harm, damages longer stop and distance due to system errors. And the conclusion, ABS system is a virtual safety system is a model vehicles without the its ability to avoid a accident under the emergency brake situation would be a stability complete in the combustion without the EBD. EBD means emergency brake assistant, EBA, and electronic brake distribution. And the other safety system, ABS has to save many lives in our roads. This is the three references used in this PPT and this presentation. Thank you.